Restore smooth performance with professional Land Rover transmission care. Land Rover vehicles are built for power and comfort, but transmission issues can reduce performance suddenly. Professional care restores reliability and keeps your Land Rover ready for every drive. Signs of transmission. Trouble, hard or delayed gear shifts can signal worn components or fluid problems. Strange noises during shifting often point to internal transmission damage. Warning lights on the dashboard indicate electronic or mechanical faults. Importance of timely transmission care. Early attention prevents minor issues from turning into costly repairs. Proper care ensures smooth power delivery and better fuel efficiency. Quick solutions extend the lifespan of your vehicle and protect performance. Professional diagnostic solutions. Skilled technicians use advanced tools to identify issues with precision. Detailed inspections cover both mechanical and electronic transmission systems. Accurate diagnosis ensures the right repair without unnecessary delays. Expert repair and maintenance services. Certified specialists perform fluid changes and component replacements effectively. Genuine parts guarantee durability and preserve the original performance of the vehicle. Regular maintenance services reduce breakdown risks and keep driving smooth. Transmission problems can affect comfort and safety if left unresolved. Professional Land Rover transmission care restores smooth shifting and reliable performance.